How to recover Facebook account. So if you want to recover Facebook account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your Google or your browser, and here you can search for my account is compromised or find my account. So just tap on it, and now tap on my account is compromised, which is on the left. And after that, you need to enter your mobile number or the email address that you've used while registering to Facebook. It doesn't matter if you have access to it or not. You just need to simply enter that. So just enter the email or the mobile number that you've used while creating and tap on continue. Now, if this is your account, like it will give you your Facebook accounts that is linked with that email address that you've just entered. So if you find your account right there, then you just need to simply tap on recover, which is on the bottom. And if you've lost access to your login details, like if you can't access the phone number or the email address on the account, then you can just go with the start, which is on the bottom. And you need to set a new login email. So go with the new email and enter a new email address. Once you enter a new email address, then you just need to simply go with send code, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on send code, it will receive a 6-digit code or one-time code. You just need to simply enter that code. After entering that code, your account will have a new mail address. And once it has a new mail address, then you can just simply go and recover your password and log into your account. That's how you can recover your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.